Evil.
Cthulhu.
Hickory dock, the shadow blew over the clock. The clock struck 12. Time will tell.
Hickory dock. Phew.
Do you really want to show it? Oh no!
If you're angry, 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 say it like me.